Someone told me that cuddle therapy is immoral because it should be free. Let's talk about that. Okay, so here's the original comment that I accidentally deleted when trying to make a response video in Reels. But this person says, someone's gonna have to explain to me how this benefits one, because I presume bringing somebody comfort does not address, I'm assuming they meant underlying issue that they're dealing with, nor should we as human beings charge money to comfort one another, but perhaps I'm missing something and I'm uninformed. So basically, if you break this comment down, they're saying cuddle therapy doesn't fix anything, comfort should be free, and it's morally wrong. So I'm gonna start with cuddle therapy doesn't fix anything. So every client comes to me with different life circumstances and different goals. And I always try to identify those goals with my clients, both in the first, in the consultation and in the first few sessions and, ongoing as I get life updates. And I always support my clients in achieving those goals, no matter what they are. Now, for some clients, this is a long-term, life coping skill, or it just enriches their life and they are content hiring me on an ongoing basis. Others have goals of eventually getting physical affection outside of this professional container, and I also support my clients in those goals. So clients who are actively trying to date, I do what I can to help them overcome their social anxiety. Like, I've helped clients look at their dating profiles, give them, not that I'm a dating expert, but just from my life experience. And, since most of my clients are men, my perspective as a woman, I'll try to give them advice where I can. So I definitely do try to support my clients on their goals. And if I know their goal is a relationship, I try to, keep them accountable and check in with them. If they're in a marriage where they're not getting a lot of affection, sometimes they want to work on their marriage. Other times they're like, I don't want to leave my marriage, but I don't think it's fixable, so I think I'll just keep seeing you and not rock the boat. And either way, I support them, but I don't think there is a right or a wrong way to use this service. At the end of the day, if it's helping them feel better, it's helping their mental health, regulating their nervous system, it's a positive. So, and there's a lot of things that people do to feel better in the moment. But to say it doesn't fix anything is wrong, because it definitely helps in the short term, and it can help them long term lead to other things. Sometimes it gives clients the tools they need with communication, boundaries, consent, social skills, getting comfortable around the opposite sex. It gets them prepared for dating. So I've definitely seen people evolve and progress and graduate from my services. So yeah, it definitely does help long term, not just short term. Now, the idea that comfort should be free, I think you could say food should be free, housing should be free, healthcare should be free, but none of those things are in our society. And I could not hold space for clients the way that I do if I did not charge money for it. It would not give me a safe and appropriate context. I wouldn't have the time. I definitely couldn't have the 2 office spaces that I have or do all the driving that I do. All of that costs money. I'm not just hugging a stranger on the street. I am spending multiple hours with every client I see. So you gotta charge money. And to say it's morally wrong, well, what's immoral about it? I'm helping people. I'm providing them comfort and relief from their loneliness, helping with touch deprivation. I know our society is very prudish around touch and intimacy, but at the end of the day, I am bettering the lives of my clients. So I think I do very wholesome work, but I guess that's a matter of opinion. So like and follow for more cuddle content, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.